Have you ever noticed how you feel tired even after doing nothing all day? If yes, this video is not for entertainment, this video is for you. Many people say I am lazy, but laziness is not a personality trait, it is a habit. And habits are learned, and anything learned can be unlearned. Let me share a simple example. There was a man who complained every day that he had no time to exercise. One morning, his doctor told him, if you don't find 30 minutes for your health now, you will be forced to find years for illness later. That day, the man realized laziness is often not about lack of time, but lack of priority. We don't delay what we truly value. Laziness disappears the moment purpose becomes bigger than comfort. Another reason laziness controls us is because our goals feel too big and overwhelming. When the mind sees a mountain, it refuses to move. But when it sees one step, it cooperates. A student once said, I can't study for 5 hours. The teacher replied, don't study for 5 hours, study for 5 minutes. The student laughed but tried it. 5 minutes became 10, 10 became 30. Laziness hates small beginnings because small actions quietly build momentum. You don't need motivation to start. You need to start to get motivation. Laziness also grows when we keep waiting for the right mood. But discipline works even when motivation doesn't. Think of brushing your teeth. You don't wait to feel inspired, you just do it. Successful people don't act based on mood, they act based on commitment. A farmer does not say, today I don't feel like watering crops. He knows consistency today creates harvest tomorrow. When you train yourself to act despite resistance, laziness slowly loses its power over you. Finally, remember this. Laziness thrives in comfort zones, but growth lives just outside them. A caterpillar must struggle to become a butterfly. If someone cuts the cocoon early, the butterfly never develops strength to fly. In the same way, the struggle you avoid today is the strength you lack tomorrow. Life rewards action, not intention. So next time laziness whispers, do it tomorrow, calmly reply, tomorrow is built by what I do today. Start small, stay consistent, and one day you'll look back and realize laziness didn't die in one day, but it lost every battle you chose to fight.